everyone, today I'm going to talk you through how to set up a Google Tag Manager account. It's really simple. If you're wondering what a tag is, tags are segments of code provided by analytics, marketing, or support providers to help you integrate their products into your websites or mobile apps. With Google Tag Manager, you no longer need to add these tags directly to your projects. Instead, you configure and publish tags and how they're executed from within Google Tag Manager. This really frees you up and reduces the chance of errors. Tags on your website will also help you measure traffic and optimize your online marketing. It's free and it puts you in control of your digital marketing. Ideally, you would want to have Google Tag Manager to set up Google Search Console and Google Analytics too. Firstly, you do need to make sure that you have a Google account to log in. Then from tagmanager.google.com, we want to click on Create an Account to create an account for our company. Our company is Web Optimizers, so I'm going to type that in account name. I am in Australia, so I'm going to change the country, and then hit Continue. We now want to create a container for our account name. We're going to name this after our website. Our container will hold all the tags on the website. What this means is that we can add and edit the tags using Google Tag Manager. We then click Create and are presented with the terms and conditions. Let's scroll down to the bottom to accept. And then on the top right, I'm going to click on Yes. Now, on the Tag Manager home screen, you will see we're given this unique bucket ID. This bucket is used to pass information about both page content and user interactions to Google Tag Manager. We need to add this to our website, which I'm going to show you how to do now on WordPress. From here in WordPress, we want to click on Settings. And then from the drop-downs, we want to click on Google Tag Manager. If you don't have the Google Tag Manager plugin, hang tight. I'm going to show you how to install this next. Now, under the General tab, we can see Google Tag Manager ID. This is where we enter our bucket ID. We'll then click the codeless injection and hit Save Changes. If you didn't have the Google Tag Manager option come up, don't stress. You'll just need to install the Google Tag Manager plugin. I'll show you how to do this now. On the bottom left here, we want to click on Plugins, Add New, and then search for Google Tag Manager. In the results, we then want to click on Duracell's Tommy's Google Tag Manager for WordPress. We've already got it installed and activated. You'll need to install and activate it too. Once activated, you should then have the Google Tag Manager option come up, where you can then enter your bucket ID as well. Now if we go back to Google Tag Manager and click on Tags, this is where we can add, edit, and manage all of our tags. You can add tags into your container by clicking New, and then hit the preview button on the top right hand side to see what the changes would look like. And that's how you set up Google Tag Manager. If you guys found this video useful and would like to be kept updated with more digital marketing content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below.